The most low-maintenance properties typically have the following characteristics. Condominiums or townhouses. Condos and townhouses offer advantages in terms of lower maintenance requirements due to the shared responsibility of exterior maintenance, landscaping, and common area upkeep managed by homeowners associations, HOAs, or condominium associations. These associations handle tasks such as lawn care, snow removal, and exterior repairs, alleviating individual homeowners of these responsibilities. New construction. Newly constructed properties often boast reduced maintenance needs initially because they incorporate modern materials and systems designed for durability and efficiency. Additionally, many new construction projects come with warranties that cover major structural components and appliances, providing homeowners with added peace of mind against unexpected maintenance expenses. Low-maintenance landscaping. Opting for low-maintenance landscaping features such as xeriscaped yards or native plants can dramatically reduce the time and effort required for yard maintenance. Xeriscaping involves using drought-tolerant plants and efficient irrigation techniques to create a beautiful landscape that requires minimal water and upkeep. Similarly, incorporating hardscaping elements like gravel paths or mulch beds can further reduce the need for ongoing maintenance such as watering, mowing, and pruning. Well-maintained properties. Investing in a property that has been well maintained by previous owners or recently renovated can lead to lower maintenance requirements in the long run. Properly maintained properties are less likely to have underlying issues that require costly repairs, saving homeowners time and money on maintenance tasks. Prioritizing properties with a history of regular upkeep can help minimize the need for immediate maintenance upon purchase. Properties with fewer amenities. While amenities like swimming pools, expansive yards, and elaborate landscaping can enhance a property's appeal, they also increase maintenance demands and expenses. Choosing a property with fewer amenities can result in lower ongoing maintenance requirements, as there are fewer components to clean, repair, and maintain. Simplifying your property's features can lead to a more manageable maintenance routine and reduced expenses over time. Properties with low maintenance materials. Selecting materials that are durable and resistant to wear and tear can significantly reduce the need for ongoing maintenance. Features such as vinyl siding, metal roofs, and composite decking are known for their longevity and require minimal upkeep compared to materials prone to rot, rust, or decay. Investing in properties with low maintenance materials can result in long-term savings on maintenance costs and time spent on upkeep. Ultimately, the most low maintenance property for you will depend on a variety of factors, including your lifestyle, preferences, and willingness to perform maintenance tasks. While certain property characteristics can contribute to reduced maintenance requirements, it's essential to consider the overall suitability of a property based on your individual needs and circumstances. Conducting thorough research and consulting with real estate professionals can help you identify properties that align with your low-maintenance living goals. Why condos can be the best fit for seniors. Condo associations can be the best fit for seniors that are looking for low-maintenance homes. This is simply because condo associations, like HOAs, can potentially result in less maintenance for individual unit owners in some cases. Here's how. Exterior maintenance. Condo associations typically handle exterior maintenance tasks such as roofing, siding, and common area upkeep. This relieves individual unit owners of the responsibility for these tasks. Common area maintenance. Condo associations are responsible for maintaining common areas such as hallways, lobbies, elevators, and parking lots. Unit owners contribute to the association fees to cover these maintenance costs rather than having to handle them individually. Professional management. Condo associations often hire professional management companies to oversee day-to-day operations, including maintenance. This ensures that maintenance tasks are carried out efficiently and effectively without requiring direct involvement from individual unit owners. Shared expenses. Maintenance costs are typically shared among all unit owners through association fees. This can make it more affordable for individual owners to maintain the property compared to bearing the full cost themselves. Overall, condos allow people to trade cash for property maintenance. As an owner in a condo association, you are essentially pooling your funds together with other owners to outsource the maintenance of the property. This is not to say that it is the cheapest solution for seniors. It can be at times, but it is definitely the most obvious choice when it comes to low maintenance. However, please keep in mind that condo associations also come with their own set of rules, regulations, and fees, similar to HOAs. Some unit owners may find these restrictions burdensome, while others appreciate the benefits they provide in terms of maintenance and upkeep. Ultimately, whether condo associations result in less maintenance depends on individual preferences and the specific circumstances of each condominium community, so please do research before you purchase. In summary, this video outlined key considerations for finding low-maintenance properties, emphasizing factors such as opting for condominiums or townhouses with shared maintenance responsibilities managed by homeowners associations, selecting new construction or well-maintained properties with modern materials and fewer amenities to reduce upkeep, prioritizing smaller properties and those with low-maintenance landscaping features like xeriscaping, and choosing materials such as vinyl siding and metal roofs for durability. Additionally, it explores why condominium associations can be advantageous for seniors seeking low-maintenance homes, highlighting shared expenses, professional management, and reduced individual maintenance responsibilities. Ultimately, the suitability of a low-maintenance property depends on individual preferences, lifestyle, and willingness to perform maintenance tasks, necessitating thorough research and consideration of various factors before making a decision. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your comments below, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to help support us in producing more HOA related content. You can also check out our website at hoaexperience.com. As always, we will close on some humor. Why do seniors love HOA communities? Because where else can you find a retirement plan that includes mandatory lawn maintenance and an annual debate over the color of your mailbox? It's like they've traded in bingo night for board meetings, and the stakes are even higher: your property value.